about the case study of distributed database in computer networks. Okay. So as we are learning routing and switching subjects, we will be dealing with all types of computer network topics. So this is distributed database is one of the main implementation of computer networks where more than one facility or more than one database infrastructure is connected among themselves and all has to be interconnected. Okay, so here we are going to discuss one scenario where we have a company called ACME. Okay, so for example, we take ACME as the name of the company. We are going to discuss about how they are going to maintain distributed database in their infrastructure. So in this ACME company, we are having three facilities, or you can take it as three departments. So this part is headquarters. Okay, headquarters means all type of management operations staff. So here we have headquarters. So headquarters is the main office which is connected to all departments. And here we have sales department. And here we are having manufacturing department. Okay. So here headquarters will be having information about all departments because headquarters is the department, or maybe you can take it as the main office where it has to be connected with all departments. Okay, again, each they are having an IT infrastructure. That is, you have a lot of computers and they are having a lot of offices and a lot of systems connected together. So this is the infrastructure for the headquarters. This is the infrastructure for maybe sales department, and this is for managing manufacturing department. Okay, so each of them they are having their own database, but the master control will be available with the headquarters. So here, whatever updations they are making. For example, if you take manufacturing process, so they will be updating all the information related to manufacturing, goods manufacturing, all things they will be doing. And it will be connected to sales. So what do you mean by sales? So whatever they are manufacturing, okay, so maybe those things, this department will be doing the sales process and they will be updating their information in the sales database. So this may be considered as the manufacturing department or manufacturing database. This will be considered as sales database, and this is the database where all the information will be available. Okay, but every department has to work with in collaboration where they have to share database among themselves. Okay, so anytime headquarters may need the information, how much sales was done maybe today or for a month or for a quarter period like that. Here manufacturing again, how many products or how goods, how many they are manufactured, and all those databases will be stored in here. Then what is the role of headquarters? Headquarters will be making some decision making. Okay, so regarding, they may change policies regarding manufacture, or they may change policy regarding sales. Okay, so the objective is we are talking about distributed database where same information is stored among three places. Okay, so whenever I make a small change in one database, okay, we have to make sure that changes are updated in all three databases. So why means then only the data will be consistent. At any point of time, if I want to take any information, maybe if I want to generate a report regarding a sales of a particular product, in that case, headquarters they need not approach sales office. Okay, they will contact sales office and they will ask you just give me the sales report. It is not like that because it is distributed everywhere. Everywhere the data will be consistent and they can take data from any database. Okay, so what is the advantage of if I going to maintain the same information in three places? What all can be the advantages? Any advantages there is possible. Anyone can tell me. Maybe anyone can tell me. You just logically think same information if I am storing in three places. What is the advantage? Okay, so there is one calculation where time will be calculated, access time, response time. Okay, so there are a lot of time calculation will be there whenever we are working in database. Okay, whenever information are maintained in nearby database, the cost comes to access time, retrieval time, manipulation time. So all those times will be minimum whenever we are taking the information from the nearest database. So that is the one advantage. But the disadvantage or drawback is we have to update all three databases, which may be costly for a smaller enterprise. Nowadays,